All right, now comes the transformation menu, a favorite because so much of our new geometry curriculum is around transformations. You got reflections about lines and points and circles. I've never really done that. You have rotations and translations and dilations. Beautiful stuff. So let's just make a little object here. Let's pull out a polygon and create our polygon. And if I wanted to reflect it, let's get ourselves a line out there. So if I go to the reflect about a line, if I click on it, it says select the object. So I click in my region there and click on the line, and there it is. Beautifully labeled. Notice A prime, B prime, C prime, all of that good stuff. I go back, I can move it, I can do all kinds of great things. That's a great option. Let's see what else we got. We got reflect about points. We don't do much with that, but certainly we can do a reflection about a point. So let's create a rigid shape this time, and let's reflect it about a point. So let's create a point out here, and let's reflect about a point. So it says select the object and this. Now, this is a good time to maybe talk about this a little bit. I don't want to get into it too much, but I want to just connect the line B to E. Look where it goes through. It goes through B prime and A through E. Basically, this is a reflection over a point is ultimately a rotation of 180 degrees. But that's for another lesson another time, but that's what that menu does. Let me clear this out. Let's see what else we got. Rotate about a point. So let's get ourselves a nice shape again. And let's get a point out there. And I want to rotate about a point. So it says select the object, which I'll do, and then the point. Oop. I might have just selected the segment here. We'll see what comes of this when I hit it. Yeah, I did. Actually, that's kind of goofy. I had only selected this back line. That's why that only rotated there, but that's fine. So if I go back and do some altering of the original, its location, this is or even the center, I can do that. One thing to just show you here, to prove to you it's a rotation, take a look at these guys, how they move along their arc, A to A prime, C to C prime, and so on. Awesome stuff. What else do we got? Translating. All right, good. Let's quickly do a little translating. What are we going to translate? Let's get ourselves a nice little triangle. To do a translation, you need a vector. So let's create a vector here. And now let's go about translating by a vector. So it says select your object. Sounds good to me. And select your vector. There's two ways to select a vector. You could click on 2 points or click on a vector itself, and you see that beautiful translation happening. Whoops. If you grab the original, oh, that was cool. I don't know what just happened there. Why I got a different one of that. Oh, I must have clicked on copy or something. So let me just undo that to go back here. If I bring this down and alter this, there's the different translations all happening right there. And then dilation being the final one. Again, in a dilation, I need a center of dilation. I need a shape to dilate. And we say, hey, let's dilate. So it says select the object. I got it. Select the center. Got it. And let's do it by 0.5. Let's do it half the size. Whew, there it is. All nice. Now just to show you some nice things that you should know is A through there, through C, through B, through D. There are those nice beautiful rays that represent the rays of the dilation. And because it was half, it shrunk it into place. Whew, we're going to use this menu a lot. Great menu.